uzule obvious nami usuqagela Movies yayona iumbrella I-podcast enothando labantu thanda nokwazi ngohambo labantu hamba ngefaith futhi ayihambi ngeside kodwa mekumnyama iyayifaka nelight.
Another week, another exciting episode of the Creatives Unplugged podcast. Sesiphinde safika and niyazi ukuthi mase ngikhona ngihleli nama-creative hleli nama-creatives unplugged namhlanje ke ngibambe ngedwa akekho uza kwethu my co-host uAchild Africa but ke angihambi ke ngedwa nje banihlale nazi kusisuke sinama-guest ahlukahlukene abantu abenza izinto ezinkulu nina nenza into ezincane ngiyadlala asivele sithathe lesikhathi ke sikwamukele mfowethu let's all welcome Usimanga Dlamini. Welcome.
Yebo sanibona njani?
Yes, simphene ihlombe likhulu. Phela hleli nabantu la abasilalele sine crew ngenhlanhla umuntu osahambele namhlanje umuntu okwi-production umuntu obuyenza ama-design laphayana obuyashaya o-animation kuningi siyakwamukela ku-Creative Unplugged but
yebo ngiyajabula sisibhuti nawe ukuthi ungamukele e-Creative Unplugged igama lami nguSimanga waDlamini.
Yes
ya ngisuka kaMashu kahle ya kodwa ubaba wami uhlala eLamonti.
Yes
ya so ngiyajabula ukuba la phakathi and ngiyayibona le ekhaya colorful kuhle nje kumnandi ya
hayi use-studio ke mfethu yonke lento yenza e-production nje usekhaya labantu abafana nawe.
Hey yabo kushayisa ngovalo bese athabe ngithatha isiginci la ngishaya i-rock and roll yabo
mhlawumbe kubantu abasibukele noma abakwaziyo mhlawumbe ungabatshela nje kancane nge-background yakho ukuthi sizwile ukuthi uphuma kaMashu but ukhulele khona kaMashu wafunda khona futhi.
Ya ngikhulele kaMashu ngafunda kaMashu
yeah
ngingahlala eChesterfield ngahlala naseLamonti kodwa nje ngikhulele kaMashu
lapha e-primary eLethusen.
Ngahlala i-primary yami ngifunda kuyona ubeksusa ePhuthumane. Ngaso ePhuthumane ngaya eMukelane from Mukelane ngasingaya kweSethu.
All right yeah
so ngisuka kweSethu ngaya eMpucuzeko School of Media ke nakhona
yabo
ngana seCape Town for ama-graphics yabo ngisuka eCape Town asingabuya ngezo leThekwini la leThekwini ngiqala but it's kwaku 2016 ngiqala nje ukuba serious ngeindustry ngaqala ukusebenza neDurban Motion Pictures yabo kuma drama akhona yabo Imbali neMbongi mengisuka lapho ke ngase ngacreatela ilokhuzana company yami kuthiwa iFruit Shake Production. So ku-Fruit Shake Production senza animation, film, multimedia ne-digital marketing. But ke manje sesithe ukuventure na ku-technology because isikhathini samanje into eziningi zihamba nge-technology. Yeah. So interested lapha na eMpucuzeko uma usuqede high school. Mhlawumbe before even sifike eMpucuzeko high school ubusuvela ubona ukuthi imedia ngiyayithanda mhlawumbe usuqalile ukushutha lapha abantu abathize noma ukudesigner ezinye zabantu usafunda lapha eScan. Ngisafunda nje ema-primary ngathengele ubaba khona leli toys ukuthi ngisike ngikhohle igama la lenokhala nje lime noma orange olifaka nje ibe nento engathi
cassette masuli beluthi
ukhaxa
usuke kuveleni
isithombe lethi ngibuhayibu ngibe curious usawo lento ngoba incane nje le windi la mase usuyifaka la sinkulu kangaka sengifuna understand mechanism ela ngaphakathi kwezana
ngayihlephula wayiqaqa
ebengihlephula bothi manje ayibulala into yami kanti lento yenza usibe enkuleni cha kwathi lamawindi lawa so create lokhuzana lo vision it's okay ngiyathanda ukuthi nami ngezinto sebenza ngomqondo kakhulu because ifilm kakhulu ngathi thina abantu abamnyama sama energy absorber so zonke izinto esibukayo phenduke impilo iphathi yempilo yethu kungene nje yakhumbula ngesikhathi saba-cinema ongene ecinema wazi kahle ukuthi okay hayi uJackie Chan lo yabo mhlawumbe phethu bekhona akho noma makinati ngoba imali kakungekho right nasemalini ungene ubuka imovie mawuphuma uqeda ukubuka lo movie wakho mase usuphuma ngani nge-flying kick so whatever athi ubuka lapha
wena usuphuma usushaya i-flying kick ngoba kade uyibuka
wonke umuntu nje ngalezi zikhathi zethu whatever isithombo okusibuka uphuma ufuna wenze lento ayibuka kahle because psychological nje singathini thina abantu abamnyama singama energy absorber yonke into siyayithatha yabo that's why kwi film industry yabo but it's a move yabo not just because ama pictures are move yabo it's because it's moving the masses from one direction to another yabo masuyibuka yabo when it comes to yabelungu when it comes to ukuname izinto they too precisely yabo lasikuna kodwa letho precise igama yabo moya nje amathema film industry we cast why would they cast yabo what is to cast it's to cast isipela ngizomthakathi umuntu yabo kuthiwa broadcast yabo caster the masses yabo lo
benze kanjalo
kubathwebula ngathini mhlambe siye nje into example like uChristmas yabo thina uChristmas mesu swenza uba short sibhala uX angithi then ube uMas yabo but leyo nto ukuthi create umuntu omnyama so esikuthatha nje kona ngathini mindset abelungu kahle we celebrating something that you don't know because uX bese umuya kuX data back kwi-X-ray angazi ubali uprofessor lo sengikhohlile igama noma professor Harper yini wayezama create isithombe saba negative yabo so what is an X-ray because it's an unknown ray yabo nangu no Micron X wayekuba Micron X because wayengafuni ukusebenzisa isibongo somlungu yabo wathi uX yabo nje kuningi bese so we film industry in a power in a impact kakhulu that the reason why ngithanda ukuthi mengenza Popeye ngabe ukuthi yini ngingayenza kahle kahle because ngi understand ukuthi okay one lento ine impact whatever engizoyenza if create noma ngwrite a story esoba mhlambe exploit umuntu wesifazane noma mhlambe kuyabulawana lento yakumuntu and umuntu so subconscious ayikwazi ukudistinguishwa ireality nefantasy so everything that you see become the part of you so that's okay mengenza mengibhala story let me write something okay I'm creating a progress while ngisolve a problem so it's where ngabhala story se animation called Adventures of Pepper Self. We creating ama characters based on ama recyclable materials yabo so senzela umntwana omncane ukuthi okay kahle umhlaba nawe sizito zothu ngobona ngisho la A2 pen mo hlephula isihlahla la very same cycles ala S2 pen nalapha ku stamp akhona yabo mobuka umbani na sandla sakho yabo kahle siningi kahle letha kuthiwa 6 electrons 6 neutrons 6 what yabo kathi carbon si carbon being yabo so okay ngathi okay let me create into umntwana ezo understand ukuthi na uyindalo if mengabe ngidla usweet ngilahla phansi universe kahle iyangibona kahle ngiyayingcolisa universe kanti ayikho into enginayo mina enginikezwe uma wami except nginikezwe umhlaba so we have to reference the womb which brought us so fanele understand ukuthi umhlaba uphasa kahle we are recycler we are reuser we can re-engineer kuwena yabo so kule ngenza nga create leso story skandalo so due to ilokhuzani ipolitiki ke industry so bengakoyithola kahle ukuthi ngiproduce lo animation but into engivele ngayenza ngibona ukuthi okay no let me create a game yabo so ngenza igame based on leso story yabo
wow so igame i-available iyatholakala nje
ngakusendela nje ilink ikhona but okay site developer and then because angithandi umuntu creative nje yabo so kahle ngathini within mina kunalento okay ngiqalele umqondo wami u-dominant ngaka right yabo so la nga right rhythm rhyme creative yabo that's why ngi creative space yabo ngena umuntu strategic mhlambe ngala ngaka left yabo so ngikhuluma kakhulu bese
That's nice.
sengiphuma
Ingakho sihlele kanje na because manje ijeni yakho usuwenza izinto eziningi and ngiyathemba usikhona nomsebenzi vele sobavezela wona abantu. But mina ngifuna ukuthola ukuthi empucuzeko ubuwenza yona i-design ne-media.
no ePhucuza besenza nje strictly i-production.
Oh, production.
Yes.
So mawuthi production behind the scene.
Film, yes, amafilimu uyakahle mina bengimeje kwi-editing
editing.
Because before ngemphucuzeko bengikade ngenze ilokhuzana i-sound design, i-budgeting and scheduling e-Cape Film Commission. So ngiyavela imphucuzeko sengizazi ukuthi okay kahle mina ngifuna ukumeja kwi-post production.
So we-post imaphi amathuluzi ukuwasebenzisa nje for editing?
Yabo nje excuse Adobe umnandi bese mhlambe
wonke nje u-Adobe
affiliation nawe Adobe nje from Premiere Pro awusuphuma la ungena kuphela umnandi ngalo yes After Effects yabo nje lo creative unplugged mhlawumbe ucreative qhamuka imic hlanganisa yonke into kube nama sound nje yabo nge-After Effects yabo
njoba no wethu unyakaza nje abantu bebuka manje
exactly but wami lo
unyakaza After Effects wenza isibani mfethu esibaleke ngalendlela ukuthi thina ke masuku iproduction mhlawumbe siyakwazi lokho but abantu nje abanormal abake bangayiboni ibaleke kakhulu i-animation i-design wonke nje ama-media expects i-art noma nomkhakha wethu. So uma usungena la kwi-animation ibaphi labo Popeye uthi usuke wabenza?
Kahle nganga-producer uPopeye for u-DSW.
Oh nice.
Yabo kahle labo Popeye sela i-Bender Bottle. Yabo babekade beney'tori ababe-createile nama-student ase-UK that.
Yes.
So mase yopicture i-project yethu ye-animation. I think mhlawumbe abona ukuthi abantu abamnyama bangayenza kanjani animation yabo. But I know anisenze lesi story kahle. Basinikeza i-booklet yabo. Kwaphela 2 weeks sesibuya lesi story so how niyenze kanjani la ingane nabafana lento lento senze ngecomputer yabo. So 1 2 sayiqeda then baqala basithatha serious yabo. Mhlawumbe
khona i-animation work yo work mhlawumbe Popeye nayo yonke into ongasikhombisa yona mhlawumbe usitshengise sidlale laba abantu abasibukele la kwi-Creative Unplugged usisendele yona.
Kahle ku-animation or Bender Bottle I think ikhona kuyilokhuzana kwi-laptop ngakukhombisa uBender Bottle.
Oh nice
Enye into animation angithi ngibuye ngisebenza ne-corporate yabo. Ikhona umsebenzi futhi we-Africa World Travel yabo. Angibenzela like i-promo video animation. Yabo akhona futhi amanye ama-campaigns animation engiwenzile akhuluma about the environment yabo.
Hayi nice. La kule nto kwi-production ke manje ubusy ngani mhlawumbe uyashutha or usaqhubeka uya-edita or ubambe konke kwi-company yakho?
Ngisebenza kwi-company yami ngibe freelance.
Yes.
Khona abantu engibuye ngisebenze nabanye ama-companies bangicela sisebenze sishuthe noma ngi-edithe. La kwi-company yami ngenza mhlambe kune company ekuthiwa i-First Big SA engiyenzela i-digital marketing nje yabo lento i-content yabo. Kube mhlawumbe like ama-companies njengo-Absa monama event futhi ngiyabashuthela yabo. Kube uGibbs nakhona menginama event futhi ngiyabashuthela mina but uGibbs ngikuthanda ngento yodwa ngoba sengigcine ngathola ngangena kwenye i-program efundwe uSitha kahle Aero yabo. So kule program si-creator i-software noma application ekuthiwa i-Travelers wellness kahle because abantu bakhala ngokuthi mebegibela ibhanoyi so sikuyenzeka ukuthi mhlawumbe uzogibela amabhanoyi awu-2 so sikuba nesikhathi efanele uhlale ulinde e-airport yabo so kufanele si-create something ezo-entertain umuntu yabo yeah so kule lokhuzana kule application so kunama-element futhi ama-film because there's khona iphathi la esicreate khona i-destination before ufike kuyona yabo uyakwazi ukuyibuka mhlawumbe nge-VR yabo ukuthi okay ngendaweni nokuthi kutshela okay la mhlawumbe la eChina edolobheni lokuthi imenu yokudla 1 no 2 no 3 ubugebengu obungakanani nakhona la airport because uyazi uma ufika e-airport uthi uyaduka uyi-understand mhlawumbe ne-signage kunama-language unga-understand so kulelo khuzana kule application whatever uma ungena e-airport uzokwazi ukuthi upheje ukuthi okay ngifuna i-direction ukuthi ngicela navigate yonke i-airport yabo but ke mina ukuthi mina ngithanda into e-unique kahle into ebekade kwi-team esisebenza nabo ngicela ukuthi okay yazi bengicela ukuthi kanjani asenze kube ibe ilokhuzana i-hologram so uma uthatha efonini upheje ifoni yakho uyibekele eceleni uvule nje la i-airport uyi-navigate uyibuka kanje la space not efonini kwi-space
ngiyabona
so
iqhamuke nje
uma ufuna mhlawumbe eThekwini na uDurban uyivula kanje eDurban wonke ama-location amalokishi surround iDurban ukwazi ukubona yabo nje kuphithize la ney'moto yonke into yabo ilo bade ngifisa kodwa ke due to i-budget base into esoyenza mhlawumbe after 3 years or so
Julia cool bafo so uma ukhuluma ngelento njani njengoba sikhuluma nge-animation for sure i-coding is also involved as part of
even ngisho la kuma-program lawa esiwasebenzisa i-coding nje ihlezi i-involved i-coding yabo nje i-DaVinci sikunamalokhuzana kunama-sheet la ukwazi ukufaka ngomba ibiza ngani lento igama selingikhohlwa kodwa uyakwazi ukusebenzisa i-coding nakuyona i-animation mothani khona i-blueprint nakhona i-blueprint funa usebenzisa i-coding noma usebenzisa ilokhuzana i-language ethile ngabe uPython or JavaScript nje coding but into e-grand-ke esikhathini samanje yabo i-AI le ndaba ye-coding ibeka eceleni yabo you just prompt yabo then ikwenze lento ubungayenza nge-coding because i-coding kahle nge-coding usutshela le software noma le application ukuthi function with a certain indlela ofunda ngayo so yona language
le mpahla lena for i-creative ukuthi ngelinye ilanga ugijima uPopeye nje la gijima uPopeye manje i-creation yawo ilala iqala from i-art from the-drawing mangizwe if you are creating cartoon and then we scan it into a system and then how do we make it move
usebenzisa ama-software wangisho masusuyidwebile bayiscanner whatever scanner ngawo kunamanye ama-software manje avele ase-designele ukuthi ukwazi ukudweba kona yabo udwebe nje kahle isketch sakho then usketch sakho ukwazi ukuthi ufake ilokhuzana i-structure saleyo character yakho yabo kwi-3D na ukusebenza ilokhuzana ngithi 3D usebenzisa bayibiza ngani lokhuzana le
software
not akuyona i-software but kunendlela ebizwa ngayo mase usuwenza i-character ukuthi uyi-animate yabo lo suyifaka khona ama-bones ukuthi mekuphakamisa isandla sikwazi ukusiphakama yabo but nakhona obvious the time ukwenza ngaso ukuthatha uklikha uposition lelo lokhuzana lo movement yakho but i-back end yalo software iyayikhoda leyo nto yabo ukuthi okay angizisebenza ngamalokhuzana nge-timeline sesikhathini esingakuza la i-character yami izonyusa isandla noma izohamba based on i-script sakho the reason why i-animation ibiza ngoba enze into ey'ningi yabo fane i-crew ibe ningi kodwa-ke ngoba ngisho i-AI bese yazama ukuthi izinto eziningi zibe fast yabo
Yeah.
because ku-AI yakwazi ukuprompta kufanele kodwa uma usebenzisa i-AI ekwazi ukugenerate i-animation kufanele ube ne-pay version yalowo software.
I think ngake ngabona omunye umfowethu la esisebenza naye. There was this cartoon ebeyenza like you take a picture leyo suku idwebile uyidwebe ikanje uyidwebe kanje uyidwebe kanje uyidwebe kanje makumuntu oshaya kusho ukuthi ungamdwebe shaya
wonke ama poses in between ama-poses in between
yo canga umsebenzi omngakanani
story stress kodwa technology bese hayi yabo nje AI bese yo yabo bengathandi ukuthi ngikhuluma ngalo kodwa ngoba ngiphasa kabuhlungu
yeah.
Ngikade ngifunda kwesinye isikole sase Australia online yabo ngenza i3D animation yabo unfortunately gcina ngayitholanga ngilokuzana idiploma yami ngoba angitholanga imali yokukhokhela isikole kahle yabo bekubiza ngempela because vele ba abantu abasebenza ku-industry especially futhi yaselokhuzeni nase-Hollywood yabo bekubiza yabo zonke into eziningi nami nge-animation nangamafilimu yabo ngoba kahle bengenza i3D animation ngiyimeasure nelokhuzana i-history yefilimu kahle ukuthi ifilimu iqale kanjani isebenzisa ilokhuzana i-technology ukuthi iziba la ikhona but ifilimu engeke ibe khona if ukuba ama-game ayengekho la ama-game la adlalwayo
hey phela lapho mose uthinta lezi zinto mfethu thina esikwi-media sike sibona ukuthi zingena from even ukuba mo designer ngisho website ufuna kube ku back end njengoba ngisho lento ye-coding how to operate i-back end leyo portal front end you know so le design asithole nge-design mase sithola nalomsebenzi akade usho izinto osuyishuthile ezinye zayidlala ku-TV le design you are designing like izinto enjengalezi ezizophuma ibonakale noma kusuke kuyizinto mhlawumbe like ama-poster ama-artwork mawukhuluma ngokuthi you are also a designer.
Okay mangidesigna kusola nje kwilogo yabo
kwilogo
ngayenza ilogo ngayenza i-poster because ebucuze ukuthi shame evela kwi-industry naye yabo
oh right yes
so ama-poster amafilimu akhe benzelwe mina.
Oh nice.
Amalogo kube namalokhuzana nama animated logo nakhona ngithiwa design i-move ifaka i-sound yabo iphathe engithandayo kule sound because ngenza sound design kahle yabo sisenze ba i-life i-design yakho kube yini ngidesignayo ngombe kube izithombe yabo mu design isithombe mhlawumbe sifake enye element eseceleni mhlawumbe for example langenza sport isithombe sinenye element
oh nice ngike ngabona umsebenzi wakhe omunye kwenye indawo ukuthi angani wena in some cartoon yedata engathi liphethe fruits ama-fruits nama-fruits noma i-company yakhe nama-fruits
no ilogo yayo fruit shake kahle
fruit shake
nayo ilogo yakhona yabo
why fruit shake like naming your company fruit shake
umuntu wase-restaurant phuza i-milkshake
why inspired shake
akafuna ali igama mafuna ubhala amagama awu-5 yabo kwagcina sekungena nithi bese nize kube fruit shake yabo ala ngempela kavela kaphasa lona ngabe ngichazela abantu nje mhlambe kuma-projects lawa ama-small MMEs so fruit shake apho ama-fruit shake ngithi ngiyona into yama-fruit shake kahle production company so hawu sibona u-fruit shake phela thina besithi hayi into
enama-fruit nami phela ngibona kanjalo ukuthi hayi izinto zama-fruits mhlawumbe ijuice ethize nanithi create
igama njengo-apple nje nani apple
kodwa ayikho into edila ne-fruit
phethe
yazi wamention enye into-ke uma usukhuluma nge-apple because now bayiqamba bathi apple kodwa there's nothing to do with ama-fruits yeah so lo msebenzi-ke owenzile khona inimbongi khona lo gcina oyishilo
no bengisebenza khona ewutho noma bengisebenza noMandla Dube kahle uMandla Dube
yeah
so ubenza ama documentary ase Robben Island ama ex political prisoners
yeah
so bekuyimina bengenza i-post yakhona
alright
post production kahle nokuthi post day lokuzana so ngesimo sokuthi ilokhuzana budget sayithathi nomsebenzi i-deadline ayithathi kakhulu so into ngaqala nje ngenza i-editing bengisoka ku-editing wayesebenza nomunye umlungu for i-sound yabo so lo mlungu emnikeza ama issues yabo wagcina sethi angisase ngilokhu ngoba phela ngiyazi sound design usasuyilokhu umasterisha wona lama documentary nami ngaqala nje ngayibuka le nto ngizoyenza kanjani okay ngaku YouTube ngafunda ku YouTube nga-understand ngo-2 ama documentary agcina senziwe mina i-sound yakho
sound yawo
askes so kuningi ngakufunda nje kuMandla Dube nanokusebenza ke i-deadline tight yabo ngoba kakuphela u10 minutes angifanele suke uqedile ngisabhizi ngo1 no2 no3 ayingeke sishisa iclient lefuna umsebenzi yabo
yeah
so nje ngajwayela kanjalo ukusebenza emsebenzini ophuthumayo yabo so nabantu abaningi ngeFilm Commission banikeza ama-funding so umuntu uzosebenzisa nomunye umuntu kube khona ama-issues akhona yabo mase kufanele isikhathi sokuthi submit yabo umsebenzi awusaphelele angazi noma ngosibhadi babelo ngizomuntu esengifonela hayi cela ubantu ngisize nayi project yami kanje sekuyinkinga abafuna uqale phansi nje lento
wena awutholi la kufanele ukuthole
mase se right sokwenza into awusamba nabanye abantu
uzobizwa ngoba uzosombulula inkinga zakho
yabo nje bese kodwa phela part of umsebenzi bese
njengoba usho nawe uthi awazi noma ibhadi noma yini
ngothini yabo nje akayedwa nje bese kuthiwa ngiyakubalela nje phela ngibiza amagama
yeah
baningi abantu
kodwa leyo nto isibusiso ngoba kuyakhombisa ukuthi wena umuntu osukwazi ukuthi usombulule lezo inkinga
ngiyakutshela
sekugcineni sekufika impela ndaba
omunye wafika nenye ifilm yakhe am-editela ngisahlala Chesterfield mengiqeda uku-edita okay ayisubmit-ke awanominate umuntu wakhona qeda nje vele ukusebenza naye akasakhulumisana mesifika lapha noma ithiwe ifilimu kufanele soba u2 sibe kuphi kuma award sifika nje lapho ngesingambingelela umuntu ngoba hayi mina nginaso isikhathi sokuthi abanye abantu anginayo inhliziyo futhi ebambayo amaqhuba nje ngase sengixolela ngoba yena wayewrong yabo ngoba lo hayi umuntu asangikhulumisi nje yabo nje into ehlekisayo kumele ngimhlekeke mina
lapho wena umenzele lesipani usebenze naye from
manje phela ngizeni ukukhokhela umuntu manje umuntu uyakukhokhela vele just ngiyakona Angisakwazi ngisho ukuyochama manje production umuntu uhleli lapha edisa umsebenzi wakhe hayi shintsha la uyambonisa ukuthi hayazi ngikwazi ukwenza kanje lento because izoba ne-impact e1 no2 no3 no4 I understand khona abantu abangatshelwa ngomsebenzi wakhe yabo so uproducer mnikeze into ayifunayo thatha imali yakho umnikeze umsebenzi wakho me happy uqedile yabo
no it's so unfortunate yazi mangiyibuka lento with us as creatives even from music noma kuthiwa i-painting noma ngabe kuthiwa into ezodlala ku TV ungangikhokhela ngokuthi ngifeaturation but kusambro mase ingoma usuyiregister I have to be there kufanele nami ngikhokhelwe noma kuthiwa isidlala eradweni that's so unfortunate but indlela kufanele ngabe vele uhamba kanjalo kukanjalo even with i-painting yami ungayithenga ngemali ethize but mawusuyibekile endaweni ethize yashuthwa abantu abathize kufanele nami mhla kuvela lokho ngithole something as a royalty lokuthi ngumuntu oyithintile lo umsebenzi lo noma ngabe ivele emovini ethile kuyofuneka ukhokhele sibuye kulento okhuluma ngayo ke manje yabo le nto ukuthi ngithe i-painting music nayo i-production sivela ke into oyirecordile noma wenze sound kuyona kuyofuneka iphinde igcojozwe futhi ukuthi ishutho ubani owenzile angazi indaba abantu abaningi abasuke befuna lawo ama skills kuma creative kube nzima ukunika labo bantu ama credits umuntu mase kukhokhelile ungazi seyisekuphelile kanjalo akazwinake leyo nto
into kanjalo
uma kwakhokheleka nje sekuphelile hayi ke noma ngabe nje igama kuya ekutheni ama credits nje abanye abantu abayinaki leyo nto kanti kuthina as ama creatives nabanye abantu abasuke besebenzile iyona into ewumaka ukuthi umsebenzi wami yilo uyobonakala kanjalo generation ingane yakho neyozalwa enye ingane iyohlala yazi ukuthi lo muntu oye-editha lento lo muntu owadoba lesithombo ngoba phela iyahlala leyo nto for isikhathi eside. So I hope ufethi nagcina nisolvile ke naye uba ni right nje kuyimanje
ni right awusahle ayikho into angena umuntu wegumela ngiyafundisa ngisho nje so awukwazi uthanda uNkulunkulu kodwa umuntu ophila nayo abana ngisho seyogibela entabeni ngoJanuary awugibeli nje entabeni uxabanisa nomuntu yabo uyaxolana umuntu so ube yena wa wrong uyafika usayifezo yazi ngenza iphutha kuwena kanje ngicela ukuthi ungixolele wazi kahle ukuthi wena unenkinga ukuthi umuntu esayi bese ngiyaxolisa ngenza iphutha ngicela ukuthi ungixolele athi hayi okay we relaxele bese ngeke there's nothing to lose mama ukanjalo ngoba uNkulunkulu akahlali kubantu abaxabene yabo ngeke futhi uhambe la ushiyekile uxabene nabantu cathi yokhonza uNkulunkulu umkhonza kanjani uNkulunkulu ushiya abantu bakeni xabene nento njalo
ayikho into ekhanyayo la ukhona into ebophekile kodwa uthi uyodumisa
yabo
so masikhuluma ke ngomsebenzi wakho manje noma inkampani ukuliphi iposition mhlawumbe unendawo la usebenzela khona usebenza nabo bani abantu mabefuna ukuthola nje besebenze nawo
mahlahla mina I'm work from home yabo because buka lento ukuthi ish mabe ngiba neoffice ufanele ngirent office yabo ufanele ngikhokhele ugesi yabo lo umsebenzi le industry sikuyona iya ngokuya ngokudecline ngoba khona nama AI abantu bayicreate manje izinto yabo especially laba bama companies bayizenzela ama lokhuzana nama content yabo nje kuya ngokuncipha yabo so uzokhokhela office kodwa umsebenzi usawuthola yabo abanye abantu engisebenzisana nabo bangifonela nje enambeni mina abo isimanga even ngisho lokhuzana nami social media mina angikho busy yabo kodwa abantu bangathini word of mouth ukuthi hayi mina ngenze lo
simanga bakuthola yes
bangifonela bangishintsha ucingo yabo bangitholeka yabo mase ngikwazi ukusebenza yabo sebenza nomnamuphi umuntu nje yabo
mhlawumbe ilethu njani izinkundla nje ubusho usawutholakala kuzona but inamba yakho ungakwazi ukushare la yo
ngayishiya inamba yami nasenkundleni ukufika nje ngiqa ngiya posta lento engiyipostayo yabo futhi iclient mabe ukuthi lo msebenzi walo alithanda ukuthi ngiuposte akhona ama client esayi ungawupost yabo angani noma usuke ebalekela ukuthi wena mhlawumbe omenzelile yini yabo mina kunama companies mina ama companies aku industry yabo angicela ukuthi ngiwalekelele mhlawumbe ngalo engikwenzayo yabo then umsebenzi wawo athi ama ilokhuzana iproperty company yakho ngeke ngize ngiqabe mina unginikeza imali thatha imali yami ngifake imali ephakatheni nginikeze umsebenzi wakho uyongifonela ngoba usu right kuphela
noma usufuna ngikwenze lo muntu
exactly so inamba yami it's 0662553786 ku Facebook ngusmanga nje Dlamini ikhona futhi nepage Fruit Shake Productions na TikTok Fruit Shake Productions Instagram Fruit Shake P ngicasi la kuphela
mina kodwa bengicela nje wade ngishile eqaleni usendele omunye umsebenzi yakho esokwazi ukuyidlala la bayibona abantu nje basesiphuma manje
okay ayikho ngikusendela bhuti wami manje nje kukhona la kulokhuzana ku laptop
Mhlawumbe amazwi sesivala khaliphile ongawasho kubantu abasha nabantu abakwi-industry ye-production ye-media abathanda ukudesign abathanda uku-animator yini nje ungabakhuthaza ngayo namhlanje?
Namhlanje mhlawumbe ngingakusho nje kubantu abakwi-film industry ngiqale ngayo yabo.
Yeah.
Film industry ine-impact yabo. Ngake ngezwa ngomunye umuntu nje online echaza about the god of creation yabo ngokobuciko ethi angazi ubani god wani umtotini noma igama lakho ngisazi but uthi ublue kahle kahle bampainte as ublue lapha kubantu base-Egypt uthi isizathu sokuthi bampainte ngoblue ingoba le industry uthi angazi ublue representa i-deception ingakho uma ubuke isibhakabhakeni uyitshela si-blue kanti asikho blue isibhakabhaka ngohamba uzufike awungeke uthole lo blue angazi i-reflection kanjani yabo esechaza yena
awanda ukho lo blue
abo mase sechaza ukuthi kahle kahle i-industry le yethu njengoba kuthiwa nje it's a film industry yabo iyakwazi ukuthi iyakwazi futhi ukuthi ibhizinisi so kubantu abawo-producer abangama-writer engathi mesibhala babhale nje izinto ezokwazi ukuthi zifukule omunye umuntu yabo osenkingeni kuyenzeka-ke sometimes uthi usenkingeni vele eradiyweni kudlala ingoma ezokududuza yabo so nathi noma ababhali bebhala athi bangabhala izinto ezofukula isimo ngoba isimo sase-South Africa ayikho umuntu ongasiboni kuyabheda
man.
Kuyabheda bese ngifisa ukuthi ngase si-create imisebenzi ngayi art siqasha abanye abantu sebenze nalento ukuthi yabo lento ukudependela kuma funders iyagqilaza ngoba apply usithole ngelokhuzana nge-email sorry we regret to inform you usuyazi ukuthi ayisekubhedile mawusubheka le projects ababekade beyifandile awuyiboni ayikho ndawo yabo so angazi ngenziwa kanjani ngathi abantu abobuciko nje bangaba mhlawumbe i-stockfella mhlawumbe ngonyaka wonke umuntu kwi-industry adlala i-stockfella kazi ukuthi okay la le stockfella ngiyalinganisa nje namthe mhlawumbe esimqondweni wami mhlawumbe sazi uNatal noma sala eThekwini film industry bonke abantu abaku-industry kuhlangane collective ama-writers abe ne-writers room kubhalwe istory esokuvula umuntu mesiproducer khishwe le mali kade kudlala ngastockfella ngalolo sibheke ukuthi uzothola ifunding kwabanye abantu abaseceleni abazokucontrola kwalento owade usuyibhala ugcina usuyishintsha uthothi lento oyibhalayo ningezokhokho bakho manje mase usuyishintsha ngendlela yakhe yabo ngeke ningaqabani ukhokho bakuchisa ayisenzeke yabo kodwa ngathi ngaba nje into kanjalo dlala leso stockfella mekushaya lo film shaya lo film i-broadcast futhi singa expect ukuthi mabe usucreate ifilm noma sebe create ifilm siso Netflix yini thina singayicreate uNetflix wethu singabantu abamnyama yabo ngoba mawubheka kahle mawuzo create le glass yabo fanele wazi kahle ukuthi mawucreate le glass menifuna ngempela nibe ne-world fanele athi menicreate le glass fanele kube khona la enizocreate isitolo ekuzohlala khona le glass kwi-shelf yakhona ukuze bayithenge abantu yabo abantu yabo nje into kanjani nakhona kwi-industry engathi ngabe seniqede lo film yenu ibe nelokhuzana ziningi ngisho ngayicreatela ngisho i-platform yoku-stream ngeke nami ngiyobuka into yama-China kukhona into yase-South Africa yabo kodwa thina abantu abamnyamanga sinenkinga nje ukuthi siyithanda into eqondene nathi kahle
sifuna what you're saying my brother even uYouTube lo usebenzisa thina singa-create
yethu platform
la siscreama khona into zethu
si-capable yabo mina ngoba ngisho ukuthi nami I'm capable yabo ngingakwazi ukubona kodwa I'm capable ngibonele kule project lesenza yase-State yabo umuntu obekade edila nelokhuzana ne-part ethile kule project ube nenkinga wagula yabo so ukuthi ama-credits okungena kwi-platform besiyisebenzisa for ilokhuzana i-MVP akasinikezanga sekufanele siqale phansi si-create kabusha and i-deadline sikanje ngaze ngalala ngahlephula i-laptop yami ngabo i-screen sakho ngoba akunzima yabo kodwa ngabona ukuthi okay ngi-capable so ngizama ukusho lokhu wonke umuntu odalwe uNkulunkulu capable ayeke into engasihlula mase ngasebenza nje ngokuzwana nangokuthandana inhliziyo zethu zibe into eyodwa yabo ungabi nomona umona awusizile yabo asifukulane nje sonke yonke into mesenza senze nje ukuthi okay hayi singabantu abamnyama na lento yabo nje ukuthi ungagcina usukhuluma lento engafanele ukukhuluma mawuyibheka lento le kahle kahle thina singabantu abamnyama siphila impilo yomunye umuntu kahle kahle into eziqondene nathi siyayibalekela bheka ngisho emasikweni yonke into yabo kuningi phela yabo enye topic ngilanga yebo
kodwa nje iqiniso kakhulu and ukwi-platform e-right la ngoba sikhuluma ngezinto ezithintayo nokuba i-creative ukucabanga kwakho umbono wakho u-right omunye umuntu angayiphikisa into eyisho but when as long as you believe kuyona so ingakho sinale podcast ukuthi nifike ama-creative azokhuluma ngama-journey awo nezinto asezenzile ngoba createile wona uyayibona
yabo ngoba ngisabuyela kulento yokuthi ungambheki omunye umuntu ukuthi akufukule lo muntu okufukulile kulula ukuthi akushonise phansi yabo nanokuthi ke ama funding institution I don't understand when it comes to kuma criteria abo yabo mongabe ubuza ukuthi why project yami ngingayifundanga but awuyimithanga icriteria yabo kodwa mase usubheka even ngisho lokwama film industry bafuna ukuthi ubhale istory ngendlela yase-America kodwa thina singabantu abamnyama u-expect ukuthi mengikhophe into yase-America ngeke ngize mina ngikompise ne-America ngento engiyikhophile ayikho original yabo so obvious bozohlezi behamba phambili nalokuthi sazi ukuthi ukuze into yakho uyibone ukuthi yinto esile fanele kuze kube khona isandla somunye umuntu fanele uyepheshe sina sikwazi nje uyi-embrace ngey'nto zethu salento kwethu yabo kuningi ukuthi kusilimazayo yabo and ngiyafisa ukuthi nalezi ngane ey'khulayo eyiza ku-industry engathi mayifika zifike nomqondo ohlukile kunalo mqondo khona njengamanje kunama-red tape la kunabantu asebebadala wenza ifilimu waba right kodwa mengabe kulama funding institution uba kuma panel mekuyipanel mawucabanga mawufike nento engcono kuneyakho uzokwenza ukuthi iphumelele phambili ngeke kwazi ukuthi akwenza ukuthi uphumelele ngoba uzobe usumveza ukuthi lento yakhe isindala yabo uhle la ekhona yena ufuna ukuthi kuba wena ukwazi yena wento engcono so umuntu ozoqhamuka nento engconywana kuneyakhe akamnikezi ithuba lokuthi aye phambili ngiyazi ke lento la kwi-film industry ngami hayi ngomunye umuntu kunabantu esinabo kwi-film industry ngeke sikhale ngento eyodwa sonke sabala amagama ama-film industry ama funding institution angibalanga gama lo muntu kodwa lento engiyikhulumayo mina mhlawumbe abantu abakwi-film industry bayazi yabo odwa ukuthi siyiqede leyo nto ukuthi siyicreate izinto zethu yabo
hayi siyabonga mfethu siyabonga simanga mfethu lento eyikhulumayo iqiniso kuningi okwenzakalayo but ngiyabonga namazwi lawo akhaliphile wanika abantu abasha si-Creative Unplugged podcast ukuba nawe nje mfethu uzosicobelela ngolwazi lwakho ngoba phela wenza izinto ezijule kakhulu
uncane ulwazi lami
niyalapha yabo niyalapha nina abantu maqanjwe ngisho i-TV kwathiwa they telling a vision uyayibona lezi zinto uzisho ukuthi amagama abelungu ngathi babewazi mabewasho uyayibona so ngicela sithathe leli thuba nje mfethu sibonge kubantu abasibukele sibonga si-Creative Unplugged podcast besiphethe uSimanga Dlamini siyatholakala lapha ku-YouTube ku-Instagram Facebook TikTok sesivalelisa sicela ukubonga sithi ke nisale kahle
siyabonga.
Customers choose First Build SA time and again because we offer more than just construction services. Our integrity, transparency, and personalized approach set us apart. We collaborate closely with each client, ensuring their vision comes to life. With a proven track record of reliability and excellence, we're not just constructing buildings, we're creating lasting partnerships.
Studying here, doing my learners, ngayithola showcase guys ukuthi le learners like high
ngibona post especially on the class of 2024 ama-RV ukuthi ngizowenza learners nami ngiqhubekele phambili ngenza license.
Mina ngigama lami Nelisa Nyathi ngihlalela amabhini ngila eMarabi Driving School ngiyaphethiza ngiyabhala ngithathe
I'm Sotonga from the Mobile Gila Maravi until learner's license, and I wish I could pass you up and go back to my bonnet pass. So yeah,
I just get a visa, go back to the Moye.
Ben was a very happy bottle. He was neatly placed on a store shelf. He was made of shiny glass and a blue cap. Inside Ben was very tasty orange juice. Next to Ben were all his friends. There were also bottles, but they were filled with juice of different flavors. Many children were buying Ben's friends. Ben was sad when he said goodbye to them, as he thought that he would never see them again. Suddenly, a little girl picked him off the shelf. She took him to the counter and paid for him. He was glad that someone had bought him. She took Ben to a nearby park, took off his cap and threw it away. Ben became very unhappy because he liked his blue cap. The little girl enjoyed drinking the tasty juice inside Ben. The girl and her friends finished all the juice and they did not want Ben anymore, just like his blue cap. The girls threw him in a nearby dump. There were bugs crawling all over him. Night began to fall and Ben was scared of being all alone in the dark. He eventually fell asleep in tears. Ben woke up the next morning and found himself in a wagon with plastic bottles, cans, paper and other waste items from the park. Some children had picked up all the waste and cleaned the park. The children had placed many bins in the park. He was happy to see the park clean and hoped that the little girl and her friends would put their litter in the bin next time they came to the park. The children took Ben out of the wagon, cleaned him, and painted him with shiny blue paint. Ben looked new and felt great because he liked his new blue color, as it reminded him of his blue cap. Ben liked the idea of being reused. He wished that all children would learn how to reuse waste material to make useful items.